Okay, hello, how you doing? All right, I'm back. Got in another trade. I think that was today, this morning I got in that trade. And I'll explain to you why I got into it and how, if it goes against me, how I intend to get out of that in profit. It's in profit at the moment. Touch wood. Okay, it'll probably go against me for sure. It's heading down towards my take profit, but you know, it never happens like that for me. So we'll see what happens. In the usual two other shitty trades I'm in, the GBP-AUD and the AUD-CHF. Okay, shit trades, but they're being pains in the ass as usual. I don't know why I get in the Aussie dollar. I'm not getting in the Aussie dollar anymore. Okay, that's not happening anymore. Never again. So anyway, let's have a look. What have we got going on here? Let's check it out. What's this one we've got? Okay, this is the. Hang on, let me minimize this. All right, this is the AUD, the pound Aussie. Okay, so these are buy orders. Got my take profit up here. So I don't know, it's been a pain in the ass, man. All right, looks like it's gonna come back up, maybe. I don't know what's wrong with the pound. Why does it just keep going down for? Anyway, I got in these two shitty buys here. Just needed to come up to here. You can just pop up to here. Okay, it'll be all good. But we're in these two buys and got my take profit up there. So what I'm gonna do, I've got another buy limit down here. So what I'm gonna do, if it comes down here, oh, we can do it now, can't we? If it comes down past here, I'm gonna put a sell stop. Okay, I'm gonna hedge this. All right, and what I'm gonna do, okay, make it the same size as these. So I'll put another one in just to double it up. Okay, so if it comes through, I'm gonna hedge these two. Gonna put a sell order. Okay, I've already marked out down here where my next resistance and that is. So I put a buy order in there. So if this code breaks through and it falls down, takes out, puts these two sell orders, then it's hedged. And then if it comes down here, oh, you get back up there. And then if she comes down to the next support resistance zone, okay, I've got my buy order in there. Oops, sorry, that over here. Got my buy order in there. I'll close this hedge. Okay, I'll close this hedge in whatever profit it is. Okay, so close that hedge. And then hopefully it'll hit there and bounce off and come back up to here somewhere. And then I'll probably be able to close these two buys in break even somewhere, and then just take the profit from that hedge and just get out of this trade. Just get out of this trade. It's been going on too long. It's just not happening, man. I thought we were going to get something here because look, it was nearly hit it. It was all the way up here, and I thought, yeah, beauty. Okay, it's gonna looks like it's gonna hit me, take profit, and happy days. Now it's just fallen back down. Okay, so hopefully we've got some resistance here. So hopefully we can just hit that and bounce off. That would be ideal. But we'll see. We'll see what happens, eh? So I don't know. To be honest with you. It just trading sometimes is just impossible. It's just impossible. But you know, you just got to hang in there, stay in the fight, don't you? So let's have a look at our next one, AUD-CHF. Okay, this is this one. This one's, I know there's shit everywhere on this one. All right, I'm in 3 cells. This is a sell, and a sell up here. Okay, and I think this is a sell too. Ah, yeah, this is a sell. This is where I had, yeah, all right. So sell, 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 sell. I'm in 4 cells. Okay, I've got another one up here ready to go in case it comes back up. So I might get rid of that so we don't just confusing things. I'll wait for it to come up. If it comes back up to here, I'm going to have to, I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, so I'm in 3 wins here. Sell here, sell here, sell here. We need this one, need it just to fall down a bit. Just come down. Doesn't have to go far. Just down to there. Hit that, take profit. It will be happy days. But it doesn't want to play. It just wants to stick around. But anyway, so anyway, because I got in this over here, and then I was just DCA. This one I hedged all these, and but I don't know. I had a hedge here, broke the support, went up. Next support resistance zone, broke through that, put another hedge up to here, and I don't think, yeah, I did, and then put another little hedge up to here, and then got out of all them, took the profit from all them, and then it went up, and then come down, come up, come down, making lower highs, lower lows. Now we just need to come down, lower low, hit that, and I'm out. That'd be a good profit. If it hits that take profit, that's going to be pretty good. That'll be a good one. So this one's not looking too bad, actually. The Aussie CHF is looking all right. This pound buys are looking a bit... this one's not looking the best. It's not that bad. But anyway, this is the one I got in this morning. Okay, this one's looking all right. There's my take profit just there. My take profit just there. And that's looking all right. It might be okay. Okay, so but what I've done here is like before. I've got had me buy order there. Okay, in case it went against me, I was going to hedge up to here. I've got my take profit for this buy up here, as well as another sell order. Okay, but I think we can get rid of that now. So let's get rid of this hedge. We didn't need it, thank God. So that was good. Okay, so we didn't need that hedge. Let's get rid of this sell up here. I'm home now, so I can keep an eye on it. When you're at work, it's good to place these, okay? Because that was my plan. Because whenever you get in a trade, okay, you have to plan it out. This is how I planned it out. So I got in the trade here. I'll explain what my thinking was to get into this, okay? All right, so it's been coming down, then she sort of bounced back up. Okay, let's get rid of that too. I'm not start afresh, and I'll tell you how I planned out this trade. Because whenever you put a trade in, you have to plan on what you're going to do. Okay, when it goes against you, when you get into drawdown. Okay, you can put a stop loss if you want. I don't like stop losses. I put a hedge and DCA. That's my new style now. So what happened was we come in here and come down. I thought it might. Because there's some good support resistance here, and it come back up, and I thought, oh, okay, if it might fall down from there, I kept an eye on it, set an alert down here, and then it broke through, and I thought, okay, it's going to go up, and then she might come down, retest, and then bounce back off, come down, retest this support level here, or was the resistance, I suppose, coming up there, the resistance zone, support resistance zone, because there's some some support here, resistance here. So I thought it might just come down, hit that, and then bounce off. Then I seen this big candle coming in, and it was about to close. And I thought, fucking, I'll get into that. I'll jump on it. Why not? Okay. But that wasn't the only thing I was thinking. I was thinking, okay, I'm going to put a sell in. All right. and there's loads of places back here for support resistance zones. Okay, so I put it in, I put that on, I put that on there. Then I said, all right, if it comes back, if it bounces off there, I'm going to hedge. What happened there? I'm going to hedge this, so I'll put a hedge there, about there it was. Okay, so if she bounces off, comes up, hits the hedge, hits the buy, and then she'll come up here, and I thought, okay, next support resistance zone is here. I'll put a sell order. You just see me close that sell order. Put a sell order. So if it comes up here, then I'll take the profit from this buy order, or the buy order here, this one, okay. Oh, I'll take the profit from this buy order, okay, and so close that buy order would be closed out now. Still in drawdown, don't worry. I know that, okay. I'm still in drawdown. Close this. It's annoying me. Okay, whatever. Oh, okay. So, here's my original. Now we got out of that, we're out of that hedge now, okay, out of that buy order, because we took the profit, closed the order. Then hopefully she'll bounce off there and come back down to here, and we can take the profit from the buy and the profit from the sell and get out here. This one will be break even. Okay, so I've profited twice. I've made profit from the buy and profit from the sell, and we're back exactly at the spot where we started. Okay, so that's how I like to work it. And if it kept going up, it punched through that. Okay, I'd put another buy order in. Okay, put a buy order in around about there. Okay, as soon as it breaks above this zone. Okay, next support resistance zone is probably maybe up here. Okay, maybe up here somewhere. That looks like pretty good there. Okay, so this is just roughly, I'll do it more accurate there. So I'll put another sell order in there. Okay, so then this will come up to here. Okay, I'll take the profit from this buy order. Okay, so that buy order's done, taking profit. Okay, and then hopefully it'll reject from there and come back down to here. Okay, and I can get out here at break even. All right, because let's just say, or round about break even will be round about here. Okay, because I've taken profit from this buy hedge and this buy hedge, and then roughly this sell profit would cancel out this buy profit. Okay, so there's the loss on that sell, and this is the profit, and they pretty much get out break even. Okay, but I've made profit from these two buy hedges. Okay, you see where I'm getting at? Okay, and if you're ballsy, you can let it go all the way back down to here if you think it's going to go back all the way down to here, and again. Okay, and again, taking profit from that buy hedge, profit from the buy hedge, and big profit from this sell up here where it's reversed. Okay, so I was wrong like 2 times. I made 2 wrong trades, but I've profited 3 times. Okay, so that's how I like to work it. That's how I work it, and that's what I was thinking when I placed this trade. Okay, this is my thinking. If it went against me, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so you got to have a plan every time you put a trade in. You got to have a plan. All right, you got to know what you got to have a think about what you're doing. Okay, whenever you place a trade, you have to plan for when it goes against you, like how you're going to get out of it, how you're going to play the trade. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So just remember, whenever you place a trade, always have a plan when it goes against you. If it goes straight down like that one is, straight down into profit, yeah, good, happy days, no worries. But always have a plan for when you go into drawdown. Okay, if you're like me, you're always in drawdown. I live in drawdown. Okay, like what's his name, Bain. I was born in the drawdown. Anyway, okay. So yeah, that's it. Always have a plan and stick to the plan. Okay, don't start freaking out and then start panic changing and changing. Oh no, I'm going to change it to a buy. I've got to take profit here. Blah blah. I'm going to cut the loss. Know what you're going to do before you do it. All right. So that's my advice. Whenever you get in a trade, have a plan. All right, cool. Peace out. Rock and roll. See you later.